Are you kidding me? This is what happens when you go away to work and leave your two sisters home alone.
You have to... Okay, we're gonna play Find Zach Scavenger Hunt.
Open your car, there's no light in there.
You made my bed. Obviously he's in there somewhere, isn't he?
I mean, I know my bed.
What did you do? Scavenger
When you
hunt.
open your car, there's no light.
You ruined it, because you were... You ruined it, because you were supposed to walk in and be like, Kevin Jonas, and then turn and be like, ah!
So the
Zac Efron! What are you doing in here?
open your car.
It would be better if you had the light on. You would have thought something was up. I knew something was up already. The two of you were never upstairs.
I think you've got me better than her.
Yeah, we did, definitely. Her face was
Mom started
priceless.
crying when she
Her
walked
face was
in.
priceless.
Because she goes, they only put up one poster, and she turned around and she started crying.
And I said, I told you that was a good thing. Oh,
my
man.
God.
It's a lot of freaking...
That's
I like how Jonas is still playing inside.
Efron. Why him?
Because he's obnoxious. Look at him.
You'll find more. I don't even say
When you're
that.
least expecting it, you're going to be like, Zach!
I'm going to check everywhere. You all suck. Are you kidding me? He's in your underwear. You hide him in my giant bra. There's two more she still hasn't found. I hate all of you. This is like an Easter egg hunt. Oh my god.
He's all over.
Is he in here? You'll never find these two. Am I gonna unmake my bed later and find him? Possibly. Is he in there? I don't even... Did you hide him in a book? I don't even want to know.
You don't even open books. Why would I put them in a book?
But yet I have thousands of them in my room, Brittany.
Poor little Kevin got neglected. I put him there to distract you from the wall. Because you would have walked in and been like, Kevin, and then turned him and like, oh my god, it's Zac Efron all over. This is the greatest thing ever. This is the highlight of my life thus far, is this wall right here.
I hate all of it.
It goes all the way down on the floor. Amazing. This is amazing.
My room hasn't looked like this since I was 8.
This is the greatest thing ever. Tell the camera it's the greatest thing ever.